Hi, this is Ram. In this video series, I am going to walk you through the recruitment cycle in corporate world. This video series is aimed at providing the aspiring HR recruiters a platform to learn about the recruitment process and apply these learnings in real time. During my corporate career, I have seen many newcomers struggle with various challenges in recruitment process. The freshers, mostly MBA grads, come with a good theoretical background, but they lack the practical experience. They do not understand the nitty-gritties of the recruitment process and struggle with performing their assignments. They have seniors to look up to, but sometimes seniors are also not able to help due to their own priorities. There are many more issues that the freshers face on a daily basis which cause unnecessary work pressure. This is the reason that compelled me to make this video series to provide some guidance based on my recruitment experience. This video is aimed at providing you a basic understanding of recruitment cycle and its various steps. In the subsequent videos, we are going to take a deep dive into these steps. If you want some specific topics to be covered, please leave a comment and I would try to cover those topics in upcoming videos. Recruitment cycle. Full cycle recruitment refers to the entire recruitment process. The term often used to describe a recruiter or HR person who can complete every step is a full cycle recruiter. The recruiter involved in the entire process of recruitment from screening candidates to onboarding them. A full cycle recruiter should constantly remain in touch with the candidates throughout the process, maintaining a good professional relation that goes a long way fostering a mutually beneficial professional network. The multiple stages of full cycle recruitment process are: first, preparing; second, sourcing; then screening, selecting, hiring, and onboarding. Preparing. The first stage of recruitment cycle is preparation, which is the most important part. It consists of these basic tasks: taking the hiring manager's job requisition, understanding the business requirement or hiring demand from technical team over phone, online, offline meetings or mails, writing a job description to attract the job seekers, providing them further accurate information about job role and responsibilities. Sometimes this information may include the details about the salary and other benefits such as company shares, international visits, etc. Sourcing. The most difficult part of recruitment is to source a right candidate for our requirement. It's not enough to go with the traditional advertising methods of posting the job and attracting the job seekers, because 70 to 80% candidates are passive job seekers. They rarely come to the job portals or check the job mails. So we need to go with other sourcing channels. Web searching is the easiest way, where we can scan multiple candidates as per our job requirement. We can search the right candidates through advertisement, job portals, employee referrals, and social media. These are top 20 job portals and social media platforms in India. Screening. Next step is to narrow down the applicants and to find the best available candidates from market. This stage includes reviewing the employment applications, which may include their resumes, cover letter, portfolio, web profiles, etc. These are few important steps of reviewing the applicants. First, their total relevant experience in required skills, educational background, location preference of candidate, compensation part, and our salary budget, our target organizations, applicants' career aspirations, communication skills, availability for the interview process, and notice period policy with the current organization. The next step of recruitment cycle is selecting. Selecting the best candidate from numbers of applicants is very important part of recruitment. No matter the applicants may seem good on paper or in education, but we need to choose the very best candidate as per our requirement. We can use multiple interview process to select the best candidate. The interview process is a multi-stage process for hiring new employees. Interview process may include telephonic, over phone, web interview, Google Hangout, Zoom, WebEx, etc. Face-to-face in-person interview. Hiring. This stage includes two main activities, job offer and negotiations. Once we find the right applicant for our requirement, we need to notify the applicant immediately over phone call, followed by sending him official offer letter. Sometimes the applicant may have some doubts about the job offer, for example salary or joining date. So next step is to clarifying him about the job offers and making him understand the complete job contract. Onboarding. Onboarding is the final stage of recruitment cycle. It's very crucial stage as it can break your whole recruitment cycle. What's the point if applicant is perfect for our job requirement but we are unable to onboard him? So we need to be very careful about this. Onboarding is all about making the new employees feel welcomed and helping them ease into their new working place. Onboarding starts with introduction, orientation and training. The basic responsibility of a full cycle recruiter is to maintain a good professional relation with candidates and giving them proper guidance throughout the recruitment process and even after joining also. Alright friends, it's time to conclude this video. Here is a quick recap. Recruitment life cycle. So there are 6 basic steps of recruitment cycle: preparing, sourcing, screening, selecting, hiring and onboarding. In this video, we have learnt about the recruitment cycle at very high level. In the upcoming videos, we will be getting into specific of various steps. Please like and subscribe my channel to keep getting the updates. Goodbye and take care. See you soon with my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning. Wish you all a good health and happy time.